Hi, and welcome to Sewing with Miss Rice. Today we're going to be making a tote bag. You'll need 2/3 yard fabric of a color pattern of your choice and another 2/3 yards for a second color. This tote bag will be lined. So in this next particular spot, you are going to see everything moving rather quickly. I went and sped it up for this. So first of all, we are going to be first measuring out a 13 by 14 inch piece of fabric. And I am using a directional piece for the outside, so I have to make sure I know exactly how I'm laying it out. So in addition to this, I'm also doing two strips that are 4 by 27 inches approximately. It can be a little longer. And then I get my interior fabric. The interior fabric I also lay out neatly and make another rectangle that is 13 by 14 inches. I just mark it out like so, making sure it is the exact size I need, and cut it out. So again, the size you need is two strips that are 4 by 27 and two rectangles that are 13 by 14 for the first fabric. And then for the second fabric, you really only need two rectangles that are 13 by 14. This is most easily achieved by folding the fabric in half for your rectangles so you can cut them both out at the exact same time. And if you're a little more clever than me, you fold them nice side to nice side so you can save yourself some flipping around and pin them easily. So moving on to the next step. So in this case, we can see there's a definite nice side and not nice side. In prior videos, we have pinned bad side to bad side. We are going to pin nice side to nice side. That way we have nice clean seams when we turn this inside out eventually. It's going to take a little while for us to get to that step. We're also going to pin together the other piece for the interior. However, my particular interior fabric does not have a bad side or nice side. So in this case, I'm just going to start pinning things together on the three sides I want. So I'm choosing left side, top side. Well, actually, not the top side. I nearly forgot, sorry. I'll be pinning the bottom to make sure that the tapers are the right way up. Remember to only pin where you're going to sew. It helps you keep track of things. And please don't trim until after you've sewn. This way, if you make a mistake, you have some wiggle room and you are more likely to be able to fix it. So we're heading over to our next step, which of course is going to the ironing board. So we are going to take the strips and we're going to fold them nice side to nice side. And we're going to lay both of them out and just go ahead and iron them both together. These strips will actually form the handles of our tote bag, and we will have it to where the seam is hidden by turning them inside out when we're done sewing. So let's just get a quick press going, and voila, done. I know it's not that fast for you guys. So I am now going to pin these, even though they are ironed pretty flat. I just like to have the pins in place just in case I can't get to it right away. I'd like to make note at this point that I'll be sewing everything at the exact same time, so let's skip ahead to where I'm at the sewing machine. Okay, so I have all my fabrics here as you can see, and I am getting everything set up to sew. Again, for the rectangles, I am just going to sew the three sides and leave one side open to create the bag. So, and you want the presser foot right at the edge of the fabric. When you're done, ta-da! You have a beautiful seam. That's the strip. We also have the interior lining of the tote bag as well as the exterior. So in the next countdown, I will have the fabric trimmed up and we will work together on this. So until next time, happy sewing!